There was a Palestine Stop the Genocide protest and a counter-protesters that were from a frat house that seemed like crisis actors overtook the protest, setting its sights on one line pleasantly plump black woman that was among the crowd, jeering her and making monkey noises saying go back to slavery bye. These frat boys were said to be white Republicans, continued to jeer and mock the woman as other women in their group continued to film and securely violently shove the woman as she yelled, in Mississippi. What led to the mocking was unclear. It is unknown why she was found at this protest nor what her stance, but anti-protesters mocked her more or less. This could be a crisis actor story or just a true case of Jim Crow laws, but regardless, the frat member that made monkey noises was kicked out the group, and there may be more to be looked at for misconduct, yet protesters were arrested. None of the frat, anti-protesters that showed up in high number ever got arrested for the jeering and mocking.